The sneezing P. You know, a lot of women come to us and complain about, doctor, if I cough, sneeze, laugh, bend, stoop, run, jump, I have a small amount of loss of bladder control. The medical term for this is stress incontinence. It is extremely common, especially among women who've had vaginal child delivery. The treatments, again, range from non-surgical to surgical treatment. In this case, surgery is generally outpatient, about 15 to 30 minutes, quick recovery, quick return to work or normal family activities. Outpatient treatment may be 4, 5, 6 trips to the clinic for some non-surgical management in the clinic.